Secretary of State, Nevada, acting as a lien claimant to property rights. Here we have a letter, Office of the Secretary of State, dated February 28, 2024, Wilcox Ranch Property Owners Association. Regarding receipt of forged or fraudulent complaint regarding Wilcox Ranch Property Owners Association FF24-10. NV 19811009812. Dear Mr. Wilson, thank you for completing the forged and fraudulent filing complaint form regarding Wilcox Ranch Property Owners Association. Okay, first of all, I didn't complete any form. That's false. The Secretary of State's office has no authority in this matter because there is a prior or current relationship between yourself and the person who submitted the alleged fraudulent document for filing. Okay, that's incorrect. The Secretary of State does have jurisdiction because we have a deposition with their seal on it saying otherwise that was provided to them. Okay, now the Secretary of State is refusing to tell me who this person is, okay, who submitted the alleged fraudulent document for filing, because that person is responsible for all the damages and for the road maintenance to bring it up to code. This person here is, as soon as I find out who it is getting sued. Okay, so the Secretary of State, you're on notice. You're acting as a lien claimant, so it's you that submitted the fraudulent document. You're in dereliction of duty, and you're refusing to stop and correct. Your complaint appears to be a civil matter. No, it's a criminal and civil matter. The Secretary of State does not have the legal staff to determine the legitimacy of the filing when the parties involved in inherent knowledge of one another, as there may be agreements in place that the Secretary of State is not aware of. Okay, that's a nice little bunch of BS to get out of it. Okay, that's not my problem. You don't have the legal staff. You don't get to sit there and threaten with a Class C felony when there's fraud going on in this association, and then the state of Nevada is assessing and taking taxes without taxation, without representation. So whoever this person is here, I'm holding them responsible, but the Secretary of State is held responsible, acting as lien claimant with the attorneys Gail Agnes Kern until otherwise. Okay, so this just give you a little insight to what's going on here, why we can't get our roads done, because Colleen Metzger refuses to identify this person that's making claims against my title rights and other title rights. So they've already acknowledged there's a relationship. We pretty much know who it is. We need the name so we can file the lawsuits. Otherwise, the Secretary of State's getting sued. Stand by.